1. Download the driver. Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type Canon imageRUNNER 2206 and printer driver. From the list of search results, go to the official Canon website for your region. Look for a link that says Support or Drivers on the homepage. Once on the product page, you should see a list of available drivers. Make sure to choose the driver that corresponds to your version of Windows, for example, Windows 10, Windows 8, etc. Click on the download link for the driver and accept any terms or conditions if prompted. The driver will download. 2. Install the driver. Find the downloaded file on your computer. It will typically be in your Downloads folder unless you chose a different location. Double-click on it to start the installation. If it's a folder, look for the setup file inside and double-click it. Follow the on-screen instructions. The installation wizard will guide you through the process. You may need to agree to a license, select installation options, and specify the printer connection type, network cable. 3. Connect the printer. If the installation asks you to connect the printer, do so using the appropriate network cable connection. Make sure the printer is turned on. Your computer must be connected to the same network that you connected your printer to. 4. Complete the installation. Continue following the prompts until the installation is complete. You might need to restart your computer to finalize the installation. Once the installation is complete, it's a good idea to print a test page to ensure that the printer is working correctly.